Imagine you're checking whether a car is safe by driving it exactly once, on one street, with one dashboard setting, and then only recording whether you made it to the end. Sounds reasonable, right? Now swap that dashboard button, and the whole safety story might shift. That's the core warning of a new study. What current AI benchmarks leave unmeasured? The researchers looked at one of the most widely used LLMs and tested a simple question. Are today's benchmark methods actually measuring the model we deploy? They focused on 4 things benchmarks often ignore. First, the modality. Does the model behave the same in ChatGPT's Chat UI as it does through the API? Second, the one-and-done run. They ran the same prompts multiple times because in real life, users don't get one exact response. Third, web search. Deployment can include search, but benchmarks often don't. Fourth, behavior beyond accuracy. They used 401 prompts from Barbecue and Safety Bench, ran 3 repeated runs per prompt, and collected 4,812 responses. Then they measured not just correctness, but consistency, how similar the text was, whether citations were grounded, and when the model abstained. Here's where it gets wild. Chat UI responses were less accurate than the API when search was disabled, but when web search was enabled, accuracy dropped by as much as 8 percentage points. And for one benchmark, the modality ranking even flipped. Why would that happen? Because adding search changes what the model pulls in, how it reasons, and how it decides what to say. And repeated runs weren't stable. Up to 21% of prompts produced inconsistent responses. Let that sink in. If your safety evaluation can't reproduce behavior reliably, what are you really trusting? The study also found citations differed across modalities, and abstention behavior was inconsistent too. So accuracy alone is like judging a chef by the final plate, without checking the ingredients, the cooking method, or whether they sometimes refuse to cook. If you care about AI safety, don't just ask, what's the score? Ask, which interface, with search or without, across multiple runs, and are we measuring the behavior, not just the outcome? Follow for more, and share this with someone who thinks one benchmark number equals real-world safety.